Hey friend. finally getting into this collection from ColourPop. It's called Wish You Were Here. Now I've already done a close-up video of all this stuff. I did swatches of the blotted lips, and I showed what is this called, the body oil. Oh wait, it needs to be shaken up, but yeah, it's really pretty. Obviously I have used some. Yeah, a little goes a long way, friend. Don't be like me and just pour half the bottle on one arm. Don't do that. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna get into some swatches later. I kind of want to go ahead and get started because I'm really excited about using this collection. But yeah, friend, do I have to tell you to stay tuned to see what I look like? Because you already know I'm going to look like a what? At 10 out of 10, minus nothing. Don't play with me. Stop it, friend, stop. Hey friend, so this is what I came up with. Super pretty. I used the Jade Dreaming palette. So really pretty purple toned palette. These are pigmented, okay? You see that? Pigmented. And of course, I'm gonna post a tutorial. Stop playing with me. Anyways, I thought I would go ahead and show y'all the blush that I chose. So I chose Cosmopolitan, and you can tell that it has shimmer. And y'all, I'm scared of shimmer blushes. I'm a matte blush girly. I was choosing between these two. This one is called Dancing Queen. So this one is obviously orange, and this is more like a plum. And because this is like very heavily purple, I'm gonna go with the plum. And yeah, I'm kind of scared. So I'm gonna start slow, and we're gonna build this up. So I got a little bit on the brush. And yeah, I did apply a little bit here, and because I was kind of scared. I was like, okay, you can do this. You can do this. So I'm literally just dabbing it on. That's not so bad. It's actually kind of pretty. Okay, I'll come back when I build this up to how I like. I bet. Hold on. Okay, I think that's as far as I will build this up, because if I go any more, I know, like, just taking pictures is just, yeah, I just need to stop. But yeah, here it is. Really pretty. Yeah. Come back to see the finished product, because I'm going to get into the highlighters, and y'all know how I feel about highlight. Yeah, we like a highlight. You don't like highlight? Ooh, girl, get off my page. Friend, I did it yet again. And if you doubted me, get off my page. Expeditiously. But yeah. Let's get into what I use, because I know you know. I know you know. I know you want to know. What? My bad, friend. Anyways, so I did use some of the body oil. I don't know if you can see. It's giving a little bit of shimmer, but that's what it looks like. Yes, I've used half the bottle. Listen, friend, a little bit goes a long way. Like I said in the beginning, I used half the bottle for like one arm. But yeah, this is from their Soul Body line. And yeah, a little bit goes a long way. My bad. My bad. I did not. My bad, ColourPop. I didn't even use the half the bottle before I showed y'all and all that. Can you send me another one? Just saying. You don't have to. Just saying. Anyways, I used their Ultra Blotted Lip. This is a new lippy for me. I have not used this type of lip product from ColourPop. It's in the color Jetsetter, and it is a matte finish. Very soft, easy to blend. It blended really easily with my lip liner. The highlighter that I chose is called Moondust. It's a gold to like pink shift. Not pink, peach. So there's the gold, and then I'm guessing that's peach, right? We're gonna go with peach, yeah. Gold, then peach, yeah. And because I'm extra, I have to look like a disco ball. Of course, I added some glitter. This is from the same collection. It's called Weekend Mood, and I added Glitzed Out, which is that right there. Really pretty glitter. It has gold, silver, and I think it has like a little bit of pink or peach in it. But yeah, you probably won't be able to tell, but yeah, I can see it. It has gold, silver, and like a peach glitter all mixed in. And yeah, friend, that's it. Stay tuned for the other two palettes. I have to get into this one and hold on. But yeah, two left. I know you're going to come back to watch both of the tutorials because you love me. Yeah, you love me. And speaking of love, thank you, ColourPop, for sending me this really pretty collection. It's a lot, but I like all of it. Thank you, ColourPop. Love you.